Oh, she's looking
We
at
have
it.
a Smokey and a Whisper.
Oh my gosh, you can't figure out. She's trying to find you on the phone. Who? You gotta keep talking.
Hello. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Don't play. Don't play, baby.
No, don't push it off the
I love
table.
Kitty, kitty, kitties. I don't much care for dogs, but I love kitty, kitty, kitties. They're easier to take care of because dogs need more attention than a newborn.
You hear?
Oh, she's talking to me.
Yes, she is. She's talking to you on the phone.
What a thing. Yeah, you tell me about it.
She's a Siamese. She's Siamese. She's talking to you on the phone. Keep talking. She wants to talk back to you. She's. You gotta talk. Oh, I think she hung up. Oh, I think her paw hung you up. Well, she hung up, honey. She's gone now. I'll have to send her this video. Let's call her back. Let's see what happened. Let's call her back. Let's call her back. Yeah, let's call her back. Let's see what happens. Let's call her back. Let's call her back, okay? Hey, let's call her back. Let's call her back. Look. No, don't tear up my video camera. No. Don't tear up the video camera. Oh, hey, honey. Let's see. I'm in the kitchen right now.
Oh, what's going on there?
Huh? Well, little Cece's trying to get on the computer. Uh-oh, she hears your voice on the phone. Say something. Say something to Cece.
Hey, Cece. What you doing?
You gotta keep saying her name.
What's my baby doing?
She's looking all over.
She listening? What you doing?
She's trying to see where you are.
What's baby doing?
Oh, uh-oh, she's biting the phone now. She's looking behind the phone. Oh boy. Did you get my video? Oh no, I'm in the process of sending you a video to watch at lunchtime. It's about 8 minutes.
Yeah, well, I'm just I'm filling in for somebody and trying to get some work done for them so we get some stuff over to the base.
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you go. Cece just can't figure out where you are. All right, bye, honey.